Hi, Assalamualaikum gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to try recreate this tiny face look inspired by Jamie French. I'm sorry if I mispronounce her name. Well, anyway, I saw her video a few months ago and I thought it's a fun makeup challenge to do. So I decided to give it a try myself. I also put the link of her video in the description box below for you to check out her channel. Without further ado, let's get started. This video will be in two parts. Part 1 is the eye makeup and part 2 is the tiny nose and mouth. Let's start the part 1. Starting off, I sketched the area where I will cover my face with my turtleneck shirt using a white eyeliner by Deborah Milano. I'm just going to do makeup on the upper part and leave the lower part free from makeup. The first product I apply is my favorite foundation by Phoera Beauty in the code 105 cent. To brighten up my under eyes and highlight the center of my face, I use Maybelline concealer in the code medium. Then I blend it nicely using the same foundation brush. I did my other eye off camera so that you can see what look I'll be doing. Before starting the eye makeup, I decided to apply loose powder by Revlon to easily brush off any fallout from the eyeshadows that we're going to use later. Taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the code Chocolate, I fill in my brow using small angle brush. Then I take a blue paint from Face and Body Paint palette by Imagic Cosmetics and creating the first line. Next, I take a royal blue eyeshadow code Cola by Charles X Morphe palette and a small detail brush to blend with the line. I apply this bright pink eyeshadow by NYX Ultimat Bright palette to the corner of my brow. Then blend it to the blue shadow. I just realized that the pink on my other eye is not as much as this eye. Is it? Or maybe it's just me? Anyway, moving on. I apply flashback underneath the blue shadow. Then I create the second line by using a pink paint from the same Imagic palette. I don't know how to explain this in detail, so I'm just gonna shut up and let you enjoy the process. Once that is done, I fill in half of the pink lines with the bright pink shadow again. Next, I fill the rest of the lines with the royal blue shadow and making sure to blend both colors together at the middle. Fill in the blank space with the white eyeshadow. I take the pink paint and line my lower waterline all the way to the outer corner. Next, I apply several coats of mascara and pop up a pair of dramatic lashes by Ardell. Here comes the second part, which is the fun part. We're going to create a tiny nose and mouth on our nose, literally. So basically, I start by sketching again, but this time I'm using a brown brow pencil by Maybelline. I sketch out the cupid bows to the side and create the upper lip. Then I draw the tiny nose. It actually took me several tries and errors because first of all, I never draw a nose on my nose before, and second, I don't know how to draw. So it's kind of hard, but I think it's still doable, I guess. Next, I take a small angle brush and contour palette by NYX to start contouring my new nose. I also add highlight to make the nose more realistic. I think the hardest part will be doing the nostrils. I kept on do and redo it to make sure I get it right and balanced. Anyway, once that is done, I apply pink paint on my tiny lips and gradually add more details. I brush off my cheeks with some blush coat Sienna by Bourjois and do some touch-ups here and there. And the makeup look is done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really have so much fun doing this challenge and I hope you did too. As usual, don't forget to hit like button and also the notification bell button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye!